In this video, I'm going to show you how to move your tracking wallet from BullX Neo to Axiom Tracker. So the first thing, of course, you're going to need an Axiom and a BullX Neo account. So in case you don't have that, there are links down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up to any of those exchanges using my link, you will get a 10% discount on any of them for the rest of your life. Okay, so forever. And of course, make sure you check that out because it's worth it. Now, over here, once you are inside BullX, you want to first, of course, be tracking some wallets. And once you're tracking a wallet, you want to go over here on the left, click on Wallet Tracker. And then from here, you want to go to Wallet Tracker up here, where it shows you all your tracked wallets. So I'm currently tracking one wallet, but if you have multiple and you only want to export or move to Axiom, a specific one or two maybe, you can just click on this check mark next to it to make sure you kind of select it. And then you want to click on Import/Export Wallet, top right. And after that, just click on Export, and you'll see this thing over here. After that, click Export again. And after you've done that with that, you can see you'll get a TXT file. So you just want to open this. And then after you've done this, so after you've opened this, you will basically get it in this format over here, which is essentially just a code. Okay, so you want to just copy this. So make sure you copy all the rows. So right click, copy. There we go. And you can then move this away to anywhere you would like, just like this. And then you want to go to Axiom. And inside Axiom, what you should do, you want to go to Trackers up here. And inside Trackers, you want to go to Wallet Manager. And then you want to click on Import. And you want to paste in the code like this. And once you click Import, as you can see, just in a second, your wallet will be imported like this, and you can see it over here. It's the tutorial wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.